Importance of water as a solvent. Water is very much essential for our life. The reason is that it has a very unique property of dissolving large number of substances in it. The importance of water is as follows. It acts as a universal solvent, means it can dissolve a number of substances in it. It also helps in the digestion. In our body, a number of chemical reactions take place which also need water. Plants also need water because many nutrients through soil get dissolved in water. Important gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide are also soluble in water, hence play an important role in the survival of aquatic life. Aquatic plants and animals respire by taking the soluble oxygen in water. Thus, water acts as a carrier of carbon dioxide and oxygen transportation. Hence, we can say that water does a number of jobs and is an important part of our life. Keynotes to remember. A pure substance contains only one type of particles, atoms and molecules. Most substances around us are not pure but mixtures. Separating a mixture into its constituents is important for removing undesirable constituents, obtaining a useful constituent, and obtaining substances in their pure form. To separate a constituent from a mixture, we use some properties that one constituent of the mixture has and the other constituents do not. Handpicking, winnowing, sieving, sedimentation, decantation, and filtration are some of the methods of separation. Husk and stones could be separated from grains by handpicking. Husk is separated from heavier seeds of grain by winnowing. Difference in the size of particles in a mixture is utilized to separate them by the process of sieving and filtration. In a mixture of sand and water, the heavier sand particles settle down at the bottom and water can be separated out by decantation. Filtration can be used to separate components of a mixture of an insoluble solid and a liquid. Evaporation is the process in which a liquid gets converted into its vapor form. Evaporation can be used to separate a solid dissolved in a liquid. A saturated solution is one in which no more of that substance can be dissolved. Water dissolves a large number of soluble substances in it. Key terms: condensation, the process of conversion of water vapor into its liquid form. Decantation, the process of pouring out the liquid or water which contains the dust or soil particles without disturbing the sediment. Evaporation, the process of converting a liquid into its vapor form. Filtration, the process by which two substances, an insoluble solid and a liquid, are separated by using a filter. Hand-picking, the practice of separating undesirable solid substances and impurities from useful solids by hand. Heterogeneous mixture, a mixture in which the constituents are not uniformly spread, and each part of the mixture does not have the same properties. Homogeneous mixture. A mixture in which the constituents are uniformly spread and each part of the mixture has the same properties. Sedimentation. The process in which heavier particles of an insoluble solid in a liquid settle down. Sieving. A method used to separate the components of a mixture which are of different sizes. Solubility. It is the ability of a substance to get dissolved in a given liquid. Threshing. The process of separating grains from the stalks. Winnowing. A method used to separate lighter components of a mixture from the heavier ones by wind or by blowing air.